the jewel of the Adriatic, Kotor Bay and the Serpentine Road. Nestled within the rugged landscapes of the Balkans, there's a mesmerizing pearl of natural beauty, the Bay of Kotor, or Boka Kotorska, as locals affectionately call it. Flanked by the imposing Serpentine Road, these two marvels encapsulate the enchanting allure of Montenegro, embodying the sublime fusion of natural grandeur and human ingenuity. Kotor Bay, a winding bay of the Adriatic Sea, is often mistaken for a fjord due to its unique, fjord-like characteristics. Surrounded by the towering gray cliffs of Orjen and Lovcen, its azure waters stretch across an area of around 28 kilometers, weaving their way through several ancient, charming towns. Kotor, the namesake town of the bay, is a picturesque UNESCO World Heritage Site that whispers tales of the past through its beautifully preserved medieval architecture. A stroll through the narrow, winding streets of Kotor unveils stone houses, palaces, churches, and squares that echo the region's rich history. As the sun descends behind the mountain ranges, the bay transforms into a celestial theater. The twinkling lights from the quaint towns dance upon the gentle waves, and the stars above mirror this spectacle, creating an ethereal vision of tranquility. A few miles from the serene bay, a different kind of excitement awaits, the Serpentine Road, or Kotor Serpentine. As the name suggests, this route is a winding masterpiece of 16 hairpin turns that ascend the steep slopes of Lovcen Mountain, offering breathtaking views of the Bay of Kotor. A thrilling drive along this road is both an adventurous challenge and a visual treat. This snaking road is a testimony to human resilience and creativity. Originally built by the Austrian Empire in the 19th century, it allowed the small mountain villages to connect with the coastal areas, drastically changing the lives of the locals. Today, it serves as an adrenaline-pumping ride for adventurous travelers, delighting them with panoramic vistas of the bay and the valley. The journey along the Serpentine Road is made even more spectacular by the ever-changing views. Each bend brings a new perspective, from the azure expanse of the bay below to the lush mountain greenery. At the road's zenith, the whole of Boka Kotorska spreads out below in an awe-inspiring panorama. Experiencing Kotor Bay and the Serpentine Road is more than just a journey. It's an immersion into Montenegro's rich cultural tapestry and awe-inspiring landscapes. It embodies the Montenegrin spirit, stoic mountains standing guard over tranquil waters, people living in harmony with nature, and roads that wind through the heart of this raw beauty, connecting the past and the present. To visit the Bay of Kotor and the Serpentine Road is to taste a piece of Montenegro's soul. Wild, beautiful, and filled with stories. It is to witness the interplay of nature and culture, serenity and adventure, past and present, a testimony to the enchanting allure of this Balkan gem. Subscribe to our travel channel today. Let's explore the world together, one incredible journey at a time.